unclog your printhead. This is printhead. I want to show you how to unclog it. What you need is just water, warm water, not hot water, warm water, and a syringe. So I'm just going to do it for like 1 or 2 minutes. So warm water, it should be warm water. You are printing and your printing is not okay, maybe some colors are missing, you know that the printhead it might be clogged. If you have a spare cartridge, you can try swapping it, but most times it might be from the printhead. So if you are sure the printhead is clogged, what you do is get a warm water and then put it in for some minutes. The water will dissolve the ink. When you are through, you press the syringe against this mouth like this and push it. Push it. Push. Do it several times over for like 2 to 3 minutes. Press it against it and flush. This will unclog the ink. Do it several times over. So after a while you remove it and use tissue or a rag to dry, especially this place. Make sure you dry it because This is the electrical part. Make sure this place is right. Clean it carefully. When you are done, this is it. When you are done, you insert it in the printer and do your maintenance, do deep cleaning, and then do a test print to see. Hopefully, the printout should improve after this process. After you have dried it, you insert it in the printer and do your maintenance, deep cleaning, and then do a printout. Hopefully the printout should improve drastically. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like, share. See you next time. Bye.